Today, I want to show you the easiest way to scrape Colombian public records data from datos.gov.co using Minexa.ai. No scraping experience needed. Navigate to the datos.gov.co page where your public records data is already listed. From here, click the Minexa.ai extension icon and it gets straight to work extracting data. The extension is open, so press "I'm on the right page," and Minexa.ai detects the page structure and data list. Just like that, Minexa.ai knows exactly where the data is on this page and prepares the extraction. Now decide if you want to scrape just the list, or also click into each item for detailed pages. Press Continue to move on, or choose Advanced if you need to fill fields or click buttons before results show. That highlighted container is your dataset. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai learns at once, extracting the same data from similar pages. Every piece of data on the page is listed. Select only the fields you want to extract, like record titles, dates, and descriptions. For developers, click API Request. It provides structured JSON output and is much cheaper than page-by-page processing. Hit Complete Configuration to validate your setup and proceed to the next step. Minexa.ai automatically detects the Next Page button if present. Otherwise, just continue to finish setup. Almost done. Set a frequency or connect Google Sheets, then hit Complete Setup to save your scraping job. Hit Run, and the job starts collecting data immediately. This entire dataset was produced without sending full pages to an LLM. The scraper targets exact data points like public record names, dates, and categories, making it faster and much cheaper at scale. Download your dataset now. Each record is in its own row with columns for every field extracted. Set it up once and let Minexa.ai collect data from similar pages forever. Developers get stable scraper IDs and clean JSON without retraining or LLM costs each run.